Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. If you have been following our daily MCQ series till now, then you would be knowing what we are doing here right now. I'm providing you with 15 MCQs in jumbled format from all of the chapters of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology so that you are able to crack the upcoming NEET exam with confidence by practicing these little extra MCQs over other students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with 15 MCQs for today. Question number 1. Which one of the following statements is correct with respect to immunity? The antibodies against the smallpox pathogen are produced by T lymphocytes. Antibodies are protein molecules, each of which has 4 light chains. Rejection of kidney graft is function of B lymphocytes. Preformed antibodies need to be injected to treat the bite of a viper snake. Which one of the following statements is correct with respect to immunity? The correct answer is option 4 is correct. Preformed antibodies need to be injected to treat the bite of a viper snake. Antibodies against smallpox pathogen are produced by B lymphocyte and not T lymphocytes. Antibodies are protein molecules, each of which has 2 light chains and 2 heavy chains, not 4 light chains. And rejection of kidney graft is function of cell mediated immunity, that is T lymphocytes and not B lymphocytes. Question number 2. In a standard ECG, which one of the following alphabets is the correct representation of the respective activity of the heart? S. Start of systole. T. End of diastole. P. Depolarization of atria. R. Repolarization of ventricle. Correct representation of the respective activity of the human heart. The correct answer is option 3. P wave represents the depolarization of the atria. T wave represents the repolarization of the ventricle. R wave is QRS complex, right? So QRS complex represents depolarization of the ventricle. Question number 3. Uric acid is the chief nitrogenous component of the excretory product of earthworm, cockroach, frog or man. Uric acid. The correct answer is option 2, that is cockroach. Question number 4. Guard cells help in transpiration, guttation, fighting against infection, protection against grazing. Guard cells help in. The correct answer is option 1, transpiration. Question number 5. Montreal Protocol aims at biodiversity conservation, control of water pollution, control of carbon dioxide emission, reduction of ozone depleting substances. Montreal Protocol aims at. Correct answer is option 4. It aims at reduction of the ozone depleting substances. Question number 6. DDT residues are rapidly passed through the food chain causing biomagnification because DDT is moderately toxic, non-toxic to aquatic animals, water soluble, lipid soluble. The correct answer is option 4. DDT is lipid soluble. Question number 7. The vegetative propagation in mint occurs by offset, rhizome, sucker, runner. The correct answer is option 3, sucker. Question number 8. Select the incorrect statement from the following. Galactosemia is an inborn metabolic disease. Small population size results in random genetic drift in a population. Baldness is a sex-limited trait. Linkage is an exception to the principle of independent assortment in heredity. Incorrect statement. The incorrect statement is option 3. Baldness is a sex-limited trait. That's a incorrect statement. Question number 10. Which one of the following statements is correct? Benign tumor shows the property of metastasis. Heroin accelerates body function. Malignant tumors may exhibit metastasis. Patients who have undergone surgery are given cannabinoids to relieve pain. You have to select the correct statement. So the correct statement is option 3. Malignant tumors exhibit the property of metastasis. And what is metastasis? It is the ability of the cancer to spread from its primary site to some other site. Question number 11. Jim revoluta is popularly known as sago palm, royal palm, date palm or sea palm. The correct answer is option A, sago palm. Question number 12. Bacterial endotoxin is a toxic protein that stays inside the bacterial cell, a toxic protein that is excreted into the medium, lipopolysaccharide located on the surface of the bacteria, none of above. Bacterial endotoxin is. The correct answer is option C, lipopolysaccharide located on the surface of the bacteria. The LPS layer located on the surface of the bacteria is the bacterial endotoxin. And what is bacterial exotoxin? The toxin that is secreted by the bacteria. LPS is a part of bacteria. Question number 13. Endosperm of gymnosperms is haploid, tetraploid, diploid, none of these. The correct answer is option A, haploid. Question number 14. First vascular plant is Thallophyta, Pteridophyta, Bryophyta, Spermatophyta. First vascular plant. The correct answer is option B, Pteridophyta. Question number 15. Diatomaceous earth is obtained from Basilarophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Chrysophyceae. The correct answer is option A, Basilarophyceae. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.